Hi, today I'm going to show you how to use a video call on for a weekly time schedule on Google Calendar. First, you're going to click the little icon box right here, all the apps, click Calendar. Then we're just going to do the weekly one. And we're going to click, let's just say, on Wednesdays, the 18th. It's the event, add time, we'll do it from 2 p.m. to 3 p.m. And we're gonna go to more options. We're gonna put, well, don't check out all day because it's not all day thing, obviously. Click weekly on Wednesdays. After clicking weekly on Wednesdays, you're gonna add a conference call and make sure it's on Hangouts. After seeing it's on Hangouts, you can add guests so they could like join into the conversation for the weekly video call. Depends on how the business situation going with y'all. And after that, you hit save, and you can edit it, make a video call. See, join meeting, and you could delete it if you really have to, but that's really it. As you can see, it's every Wednesday. See, next week after, and October 9th, still set for every Wednesday. It's great to have. Also, if it doesn't show up as a video call on the screen when you're trying to like do it through the Hangouts, you go to your settings, click settings, you scroll down to events settings, and you see I say automatically add video calls to events I create. Click that, it saves, and now you know guaranteed that you're gonna be able to do the video call Hangouts. And that's all. I hope this helped y'all, and have a great day.